Hey everybody, it's Rob Appel from Stitchin Heaven, and I'm super excited to give you a personal invitation to join yours truly and the rest of the Stitchin Heaven team for our Sewing Academy. May 18th through 20th, this year, 2023, we're gonna have a bunch of fantastic educators, some great classes. So let me give you kind of a rundown of what you can expect when you join us, May 18th through 20th, Sewing Academy. So we're gonna have 3 great focus style workshops. The first one is gonna be led by Kathy Shalda, and I certainly hope I'm saying that right, a Bernina educator, and she's gonna be talking all about savvy stitching, specifically machine quilting with your embroidery unit or your module. That's right, hands-free machine quilting as we know it. It's going to be awesome. Kathy's a great instructor and you're going to love the workshop on savvy stitching using your module for your quilting. Robin Fippens is going to be teaching us 2 different workshops on clever quilting. One workshop will focus in a lecture demo format on how to use your software to run these giant long arm machines as a robot so they do all the work for you. And the others, you'll be actually seated at your very own mid-arm machine, moving the quilt sandwich under the needle, learning some radical free motion stuff and some wonderful techniques that way. And if you know my quilting, that's one of the things I love as I'm learning more and more about the programming. So you know I'll be paying attention in that workshop. And last but certainly not least, Shelly Fitzgerald will be teaching us some very smart serging using the Bernina. This is the 890, and if you're not aware of what a serger is, it's used wonderful for doing garment, flat locking, cover locking, safety stitching. So if you're into other than quilting, sergers are certainly something you're probably interested in. So come and learn from Shelly and the rest of the wonderful team from Bernina and the family here at Stitchin Heaven, May 18th through 20th, 2023. Sign up while you can. Sewing Expo. I will see you there.